Hi Petri, for science today we are going to learn force and motion. Force is using energy to do work, or we can say that force is push and a pull. Okay. Push is move an object away from you, and pull is move an object toward you. Okay, here are some more examples. So if you want to pulling the cord of the lamp to turn on or turn off the light, it means that you do the pull. And if you pour the milk to the glass, you do the push. If you lift up the box, you do the pull. And when you're watering the plant, you do the push. Okay, now what can the forces do? Okay, first, a force can change the speed of moving objects. Okay, when the pedal of the bicycle moves faster, then the speed of the bicycles increases, and when we apply brakes to the moving bicycle, then the speed of the bicycle will decrease. Second, a force can change the direction of a moving object. For example, in a baseball game, when a moving ball is hit by a bat, then the direction of the ball will change and goes to another direction. The force exerted by bat changes the direction of the moving ball. The third, a force can change the shape and size of an object. The shape of toothpaste tube changes when we squeeze it because we apply force while squeezing it. Now, elastic materials and objects such as spring change shape when a force is exerted on them. Just remember, stretching happens when the material or object is pulled. And compression happens when the material or object is squashed. Now, what is the meaning of motion or movement? Motion or movement is a change in position or an object moving from one place to another. And then what about speed? Speed is how fast or slow an object is moving. Motion that repeats is said to occur in a pattern. We can observe patterns of motion to make prediction about how things will move in the future. Now, pattern of motion. The repeated process of an object moving. Let's see. First, straight line. When an object moves in a straight line, this is known as linear motion. For example, a running kit, a roller coaster, and when you're riding a bike. And then next is back and forth motion. Repeatedly move in one direction and then in the opposite direction. For example, when an object moves back and forth, it is called a vibration. Okay, for example, when you swing and then the pendulum, and when you jump in the trampoline. Up and down motion, switching between upward and downward movement or action. For example, the balance scale and the seesaw. Now, round and round motion. A movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. For example, the merry-go-round, the tire, and the Ferris wheel. And then slide means to move or cause to move smoothly over a surface. For example, slide, box, and snowboard. And then zigzag means to move along a path that has a series of short, sharp turns or angles. For example, how the snake moves can be in a zigzag motion. And when you're playing tennis, you do the zigzag motion too. And then spin means revolve quickly and repeatedly around one's own axis. For example, when you blow the pinwheel and you play the spinning top and the electric fan. And then roll means to move by turning over and over. For example, the marbles, it's rolling, and the rolling pin, and the last one is the tennis ball. Okay, I think you know the pattern of the movement today. Just remember and memorize it. Okay, see you for the next chapter. Bye bye.